To explore the application as a student, enter the student's credential we shared with you. Students can take the tests, surveys, and training courses, and can be awarded certificates. To start the test, navigate to My Assignments in the main menu. Choose any of the offered tests and click the Start or Retake button. The system will lead you through the test-taking process. After you have completed the test, and if allowed by the test manager, you will see a personal report with or without question details. After you review the report, you can go back to the My Assignments panel and try out one of the training courses. Training courses contain several steps with various multimedia attached as learning resources. If a step contains a test, you need to pass it in order to progress to the next step. To explore the application using other security roles, check out the other instructional videos we shared with you.